Hey guys, so today I have another hair extension review video for you today. I was contacted by this brand called Amazing Beauty Hair Extensions, and they sent me 2 boxes of their 12-inch hair extensions. It's nice that this company actually had a few options of hair lengths. They had 10, 12, 18, and I think their longest was 20 or something like that. But anyway, so it's 100% human hair extensions. This is the box, and in the back it says, invest in your hair. It is the crown you never take off. So it comes with a pair of, what do you call these? Eyelashes. Comes with a hairbrush, which is nice. Let me open this right now actually. Yeah, it comes with this kind of like hairbrush thing and then a skinnier one, which is great because I can stick this in my bag after, which would be awesome. And it's like, it's really fine, so I can really part the hair like where I want it. And then here is the hair. Honestly, it doesn't look like much, but like, I know once I put it on, like it will be enough. They sent me 2 boxes of it because they said they wanted me to try having like extra thick hair. So I'll definitely put the one in first and then maybe some of the other, but I don't see myself using both boxes, honestly. Even with the Luxy hair set, I don't use the entire 10 clips that they offer. So this is the hair. It feels really nice. It feels like my hair. Ooh, it has this little whoosh. But yeah, it's gonna be like right about to here, which I'm so excited for because that's the length I'm actually trying to grow my hair out. They rolled it up really nice, so I really have to like unroll it. Yeah, 7 pieces. Here they all are. Let me take my pins off right here. As you guys can see, I still have a mullet. So I like to start with the 3 clipped wefts. I start from here and then go up. So I'm gonna take the 3 clip. This is what it looks like. And I'll use one of their kind of skinny brushes. I'll use this one. Separate a big piece. And I'm not using a mirror in front of me. I'm solely just using the viewfinder and the camera. So if I'm looking this way a lot, that's why. Alright, just so right above my ear right here. So I'm gonna put 1 clip. Easy enough. 2, 3. As long as it feels like it's in line with the part you made, that's the most important part. Otherwise, like, you don't really need to see what's going on in the back of your head. I'm gonna make another part just from where the other clipped end ended and just drag it all around to the front. And yep, Nate made another part right above my ear. And actually, I'm glad I'm not showing you guys different angles or anything this time because I'm just doing this video straight up in real time. The point of like clip-in extensions is that it's supposed to be quick, you know? If you can make a straight line and then just clip above the straight line, then you should be good. Clip. These feel really nice actually, and wow, they actually wrap around the shape of my head perfectly. Ah, you guys see I have cute kind of long hair already. So then I make another like inch or 2 part above that. And if the line is not completely straight, like see where I made the part, it's a little off, but it's good enough. Alright, so I'm gonna take the 4 clipped weft now. So I start with the 3 and then I go to the 4. The 4 is the biggest piece. Alright, so that's in. Then to the other side, trying to make another inch part. Wait a second, you guys. Actually, this set only comes with 1 4-inch clip piece. So it would I would have to either put 2 of the 2 clipped wefts here to match what I did on the other side, or I'm going to open the other bag that they gave me. So actually I did end up needing the other bag because the way I put it is like I put the 3 clipped weft, 3 clipped weft, 4 and 4, and then I do 2 and 2, and then I do the singles at the top. But I actually do need the other 4, so that's good to know in case you guys put your hair in the same way I do. Alright, here's the other 4 clipped weft from the other box. These clips are really like heavy duty. It feels secure. Ah, that looks great. Yay! Oh, I love this length already. It's so pretty. And then I have most of the hair at the top, which is mostly my mullet. I am gonna use the other 3 clipped wefts from the other box as well. I'm gonna make another part at the top right here. Yes, I'm gonna take another 3 clip. So yeah, I'm making another part. And sometimes, you know, I have to go back and do it because I don't clip it in secure enough. So just play with it, you know. I take this kind of like bristle brush and I comb over the hair in the back so that you don't see the back extensions. I take some mousse, just need a tiny bit. I like to just put it on top so it kind of lays flat like over. That's better. That's so much better. Obviously I have a lot of short pieces, but again, as you guys know, I just use bobbing pins to keep it in place because there's nothing else I can really do with that. So yeah, I'm just gonna put a pin right here. it. I did the video in real time. Nothing, I didn't look around behind my head. This is just me putting in the clips as I feel it, you know, and that's how you should be doing it, because there's no reason it should take more than like 10 minutes. Yeah, that looks super cute. Yay! It feels like nothing, like I don't even feel it on my head. I'm really happy with the quality of these hair extensions for sure. And I have so many pieces left. Thank you so much for Amazing Beauty Hair for sending me this product. I'm really happy with it. If you guys are looking for hair extensions, I definitely recommend to check them out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe for more. Follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!